Okay mate, I don't know whether you can see this, but you'll notice there that it doesn't use the GoPro screws, and the reason behind that is GoPro use an M5, so if you go to Screwfix and get some M5 Allen keys, it'll go straight in there and you can tighten them up permanently, and you'll see along here I've replaced the GoPro twist and goes with the M5, and I've actually used a countersunk there. But look, if I show you the side profile of the clamp, it's clamped so the centre point, so centre of the screen, this is actually centre of the camera. It's not centre of the arm, it's calculation, but it goes on. And you'll notice also there's a bit that fits in there to stop the clamp opening at speed, but it's been on about, doesn't look as though it's firmly affixed, but it is, because it's been there for about a year. I do check, but that's the curved arm and the kit that I've fitted. I've ordered all of this for you, but it's going to take a while to come. And then when it's placed on the helmet, just get my belly on there, when it's placed the camera goes on, and it's tilted up quite at an angle because you wouldn't believe how much your helmet is actually angled back. But hopefully you get an idea now about my curved, oops, I've just dropped that Ekin camera. You'll hopefully get an idea of about a curved mount. So your grill, as the centre doesn't actually play in it, it's mounted on the side. And of course the advantage is you can undo the M5 there and actually put a side mounted camera, but I don't like that look. And you'll notice it's on my left side, which obviously when you're riding in Europe is the opposite side of the road, which is what I do. So you could actually put one there and rotate this 180 degrees, but hopefully you get an idea about that, Jason. Anyway, speak to you soon, pal. God bless.